Hello, this is the Orcast Joseph and Jack my desktop. But it's not about that. It's about if you've been playing Voltz or Tekkit and your sound is not working. This is how to get your sound working. So if you're playing Voltz and your sound isn't working, you want to type up that in here. If it's Windows XP, just press run, and I don't know, everyone's got Windows XP, it's quite good, but still. You want to go to Technic, and then just for you, there might be something called, it might be, you might be Tekkit Launcher, however. You can go to Voltz, find Voltz, got resources, and there'll be here the mod, and it'll be all the sounds, but in this sound here is this empty. So what you want to do is type app data again, go up another one, go to Minecraft. If you don't have Minecraft installed, go and install that now. And what you want to do is get this and drag in here, like so, and then get this here and drag it in here. Press yes, and it will replace this with all the pop sounds. So actually a lot of this is empty, so I'm going to fill all of it in. So a lot of this stuff is just empty, so it's kind of annoying. We'll get the new sound in there. So let's see, is there anything else? Drag the streaming in there, yes. If you don't drag all of these, sometimes dropping on Minecraft that much. Oh, drag all of these in here. Go. So just close all of that. Open your Voltz. Got a bit of time to load. Mine usually goes not responding, and then like a few like seconds there it goes back to the normal one. Go. So let's open this, and then I'm gonna go with the recommended one, the normal one. Just enjoying that, and let's wait. There you go. Hang on. Oh, lag. Why lag? Why am I lag? Why you lag? There we are. As you can hear, footsteps. Here's some breaking. You can even hear the Voltz blocks breaking. As such, so that is amazing. Hit it. So that's the end of the video. Enjoy your new sounds.